Hey, so check this baby out. This is pretty cool. This is an AutoDrill head made for a CNC. And so you can see in there we've got the taper inside, which is driving the head, right? So I'll show you the head in just a second, but watch this. It's a driver with a female drive tank. So that's how we do this. It's manually loaded, clamps onto the spindle cartridge or the quill. And so this head here, if I tip this over, give this a little bit of a spin here, just so you can take a look at it. So this is a circular bolt circle head. These are ER25, and this baby's doing, looks like between 10 and 11 millimeter holes. So this is going to go onto a CNC. It's going to use the taper in the existing machine, but will clamp onto their quill and will be positively driven. And so what's the reason for this? You want to use an auto changer when you can, but when you have a repeatable job that's going over and over and over, you can save an awful lot of money by going with a simple split clamp on the quill. Get this thing perfectly aligned, not worry about it, and continue moving forward. When you need to change your tooling size, you just change your collet size here in the head. You can even use this as a single spindle chuck just by removing the tools from those existing spindles. And so this will multiply the efficiency of a CNC machine at least 6 times, and because you don't need to move locations, it'll probably be closer to 10 or 15 times in some cases, depending on the speed of the XY positioning. So we would love to help you put a head like this on your CNC, on your Bridgeport mill, on your drill press, or of course, imagine this, on an AutoDrill self-stroking unit. We make units with up to 1,500 pounds of thrust and more for the customs. We've got units out there as small as 12 inches in length, and you can see these all turn at the same time, right? So I can't turn, oh, you know, I might be able to do it this way. And I can't see it, so I can't turn it. But anyway, these all turn like that, same direction. You could put this thing on almost anything out there, even on the face of a motor. If you want to spin this with a motor and just slide it with something else, we can do some amazing things, upwards of 40 holes with a single drive system, if that's what you're looking for. So we'd love to help you with that. Mike, thank you for your assistance turning that. Really appreciate it. How you doing today?
I'm great.
That's fantastic.
I work at AutoDrill.
Ha! Love it. So hey, give us a ring, check out our website, do something if you need help becoming more efficient. We really want to bring you into the world of efficiency. Absolutely dependable. See, it says that right there below AutoDrill. That's because what we do is give you something that makes your life better. Give us a ring, autodrill.com, 800-871-5022, or a local number, 908-542-0244. Take care, God bless, be safe, and much success.